outdoor survival gear is a basic set of tools that will be of help in an emergency. These survival tools are widely used by people. The main purpose of carrying a survival kit is to make sure that the person has a life-saving supply in the event of an emergency. In such situations, while nothing can be available, the best survival kit can enter to the rescue. Surviving in an unknown place can be dangerous. You can never know what will happen to you ahead. The right gear will allow you to spend a comfortable and safe night. It will also protect you from the wild. If you love hiking or traveling to unknown places, it is best to have survival gear. In any case, if you happen to be in an emergency, these things will help you survive. We will talk about the 5 best survival gear you can use on your next trip.
Here Top of Zone, we are a bunch of researchers and testers. We test, analyze, research new products and create a list of top 5 best products based on price, quality, feature and user feedback. We also provide upcoming and innovative products ideas so that viewers may know about new products. Our goal is to create proper shopping guidelines so that our viewers can make proper decisions.
Don't Die in the Woods emergency blankets is one of the best survival multi-tools you can get your hands on. These blankets are perfect for your hiking trips, for marathons, or for outdoor survival. It reflects up to 90% of body heat. The best part of this blanket is that they are waterproof. They are quite compact in design. This grants you to carry them anywhere with you. These massive 7 into 5 foot emergency blankets are 23% larger than standard foil blankets for full body protection. They are made from the finest quality material to put you safe. It consists of a tough zipper pack, individual nylon stuff sacks, 4 blankets, and carabiner. It has a perfect balance of durability and lightweight at only 9.5 ounces per set. It is suitable for countless survival trips. The blanket will be your tough companion through your outdoor trips. Have you ever wondered what would you do if you are stranded on a road trip? Or what if you are lost when hiking? Be ready with the Go Time Gear emergency sleeping bag. This item is designed for surviving the worst scenario. It has a lightweight design. In addition, it is compact and durable enough. Easily remove it from the sack and use it as a sleeping bag. Your ultra-lightweight emergency VV survival sleeping bag is made of 26mm extra thick mylar material with a tear and puncture-resistant coating, so it stands up to extreme conditions. The sack can be used in multiple ways. You can use it as a survival shelter, emergency blanket, or sleeping bag. Even its 120 decibel emergency whistle warns rescuers 1 mile away through the wind and trees. It is small enough to fit in the palm of your hand and weighs just 4.1 ounces. Whether you encounter bad weather or harsh rains, this survival kit will be of great help. Garmin InReach Mini Handheld Iridium Satellite Communicator grants you to travel light and communicate smarter. The mini device is an excellent companion for your outdoor travel. You can trigger an interactive SOS that allows you to communicate. The device has unlimited cloud storage. This enables you to plan your trips well in advance and create quick texts. It is only 4-inch tall by 2-inch wide and fits a weight of only 4.23. The InReach Mini grants you to send or receive messages even from areas with no network. InReach Mini triggers an SOS alert for you to send and receive text messages, track and share your journey, and contact the GEOS 24/7 emergency response team if necessary. It is impact resistant and rated IPX7 waterproof, which means it's built for the outdoors. This item is the ultimate survival tool you can ever purchase. Now you never need to worry about getting lost or stranded. Gerber Armbar Driver Pocket Knife Multi-Tool is one of the best survival gears. The Gerber Armbar Multi-Tool is a 2.5-inch driver which grants you to complete tasks faster. There are a total of 8 tools in the item. They are a hammer, scissor, bottle opener, awl, and a primer. Also, there are Phillips and flathead drivers, 2.5-inch plain edge blade with frame lock, and 2.5-inch driver. This compact multi-tool is designed to fit comfortably in the pocket, yet has a smart lineup of tools to complement the full-size, fine-edge blade. The Armbar drive provides a sturdy drive that houses a double-sided bit, rounding out a tool pack that adds your EDC essentials. Also, it's pretty easy on your wallet. This item has a compact design that makes it easy to store. Upgrade yourself with the best multi-tool and make your life simpler. The Purewell portable water filter straw is an awesome addition to your outdoor camps or hiking. You never need to worry about drinking fresh and clean water. If you ever forget to get your own bottle, this handy equipment will be of great help. It has a built-in 0.01 micron ultrafiltration system. This provides you with 5,000 liters of pure drinking water. Keep yourself water safe and healthy with this portable water filter straw. This reusable water filter can effectively turn lakes, rivers, streams into drinking water. Even Purewell mini filter straw can be attached to an international standard bottle, for example, Coca-Cola bottle, plastic bag, which is very small and convenient. This is one of the best multi-survival gear tools you can invest in. Since they have a compact design, it can be easily carried along with you.
Thanks for watching this video. Like, comment and share with your friends if you have found this video helpful. Subscribe our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.